Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a simple orbital camera to your game in Unity. So if you're looking for a camera that can pan, rotate, and zoom around a specific target in your game, then this video will show you how to add that. We'll be using a free asset from Oka Software, so you'll be able to jump in and download that asset without paying anything or putting in your credit card or anything like that. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new Unity project. We'll sign up for Oka Software. We'll download the asset, import it, add the component, and then walk around the asset itself. Cool. So let's go ahead and start this new project. I'm going to call this, I always like to use the baseline for the 2023 for the LTS. So we're going to do that. This one is compatible with any of the render pipelines, but URP is the best. So we'll call it orbital camera. And then we will select our organization and then create the project. All right, so we are in Unity now. What we're going to do is just create a new object. We'll add a cube in here, something simple. And we can add a few of these just to pivot around. And now we have our sort of scene laid out. So the Unity camera doesn't come with a sort of default. You can always pop in here and add a free camera, but we're not going to use that one. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to go and get that orbital camera from Oka Software. So what we're going to do is just go to okasoftware.com and then go to products, all assets and tools. This one's under dev tools and you'll go to orbit camera. So you will need to sign up to download the asset. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in with my account. Cool. So I'm just gonna log in with my account, and then I'm gonna go ahead and download the asset. So to download it, I'll just click download, and then it will go ahead and download to my computer. So we'll just create a new folder to save that in, and then it's saved. Now that we've saved it, we need to extract this file. So you just right click, click extract all, and then extract it. And then you get this folder, this long sort of your, long sort of name. And then you're just gonna wanna go ahead and drag this whole thing into your packages folder. Now, if you don't know where your packages folder is for your specific project, we'll go ahead and pull that up. So jumping back into Unity, you're gonna go into your project view, to your packages, right click, and click show in Explorer. And then this shows you where your packages folder is located. So you'll just open that packages folder. Now jumping back to where we had exported the camera script, you're just gonna drag and drop that into the packages folder. And then when you jump back into Unity, it'll import that package into your project. This is nice because it keeps all the package files together with your project. And now that you've imported it, you can see under the packages, we have this new package here, Orbit Camera. So now we're going to go ahead and add that Orbit Camera to our camera in the scene. So to pull that up, you can just go here, click Add Component, Oka Software, Orbit Camera, and then select the Orbit Camera. For the transform, we'll go ahead and drag and drop in the cube as the transform that we want to look at. And then when we hit play, it'll automatically, load the camera up. So now you can see that this camera is in the scene. And you can look around. Super smooth, feels really nice. You can zoom out or zoom in. And you can also pan around like that. And all these interactions feel really nice, super smooth, and really clean. You can also control some of these options. So for example, if you want the damping to be a little bit less sort of smooth, you can adjust the damping factor. So bring the damping factor up, for example, and rotate, makes that damping go even more smooth. And then bring the damping down, gives you a really tight control. I think the default works really nicely, but there's definitely like a range of values that work fairly well. You can also control some of the sort of limitations of the camera. So if you want to clamp the camera to certain angles, you can do that. And if you want to adjust the speed for the panning, the rotating, or the zooming, you can change those things as well. So suppose you want the panning to go really quick, and you can adjust that so that it's much quicker. Or you can adjust the zooming so that the zooming is really fast. And this all sort of just works. So that's pretty much the camera. It's very easy to use. As you can see, setting it up is really easy as well. And it is really nice for, maybe an RTS game or something where you have a sort of top-down view, or a game where you want to showcase an inventory item or a character or something like that in a selectable screen. Cool. So if you liked this video and you're interested in getting more tips and tricks and free tools for Unity, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any thing specific that you'd like to see added to the Oka software suite, go ahead and let us know in the comments so that we can add it. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.